if you can guess what animal I am today. I'm not going to use any sound. I'm just going to use my body. Did you guess it? Yeah? It was a monkey. Now I could add some sound. Good. So when we're pretending to be animals, we can use our bodies, right? We can think about how animals, monkeys usually walk on their hands and their feet, right? Sometimes they even go like this. Maybe you can try walking around your house like that. Monkeys, right? They scratch their heads, under their armpits, right? All kinds of things. And they make a sound. So when we pretend to be an animal, we want to think of all these different things that the animals do. So I'm going to put my little monkey mask on today, my little monkey hat. And I want to show you this cute little thing that I made. This is a little monkey, and this monkey can just kind of hang with me. I'm going to do a little poem for you. Little monkey swinging in the tree. All hold hands and whee, swing with me. Swing up high and swing down low. Swing in the tree. Now don't let go. Swing and swing just like I do. Swing, little monkeys, whee, at the zoo.